Ever been in a quiet room, and your stomach suddenly starts beatboxing? Yeah, that's called borborygmus, and no, it's not a spell from Harry Potter. When you're hungry, your brain tells your digestive system, hey, clear the pipes, food might be coming. Your intestines and stomach contract to move any leftover food and gas. This movement causes gurgling noises, aka your belly's way of saying, feed me. It's not just hunger though, this can happen even when you're full. So don't blame your stomach, it's just being expressive. Next time your stomach growls during a meeting, just nod and say, ah yes, classic borborygmus. Science makes embarrassment fancy.